Hello everyone! Are you curious about how to treat ear mites in cats? Let's explore! Ear mites, scientifically known as Otodex cynotus, are tiny parasites that commonly infest the ears of cats. These mites can cause irritation, discomfort, and even secondary infections if left untreated. The first step in treating ear mites in cats is to confirm the diagnosis. If you suspect your cat has ear mites, it's essential to consult with a veterinarian for a proper examination. The vet will examine your cat's ears using an otoscope to look for signs of mites, such as dark discharge, redness, or excessive scratching. Once diagnosed, the vet will recommend a suitable treatment plan. One of the most common treatments for ear mites in cats is topical medication. This typically involves applying an ear mite medication directly into the affected ears to kill the mites and alleviate symptoms. These medications may contain ingredients such as pyrethrins, selamectin, or moxidectin, which are effective against ear mites. It's crucial to follow the vet's instructions carefully when administering topical medications to ensure proper dosage and application. Some medications may need to be applied once daily for several weeks to fully eliminate the mites and prevent recurrence. In addition to topical medications, the vet may also recommend cleaning your cat's ears to remove debris and wax buildup. This can help improve the effectiveness of the treatment and prevent secondary infections. Use a gentle ear cleaner specifically designed for cats, and avoid using cotton swabs or other objects that could damage the ear canal. In severe cases or if the cat has developed secondary infections due to ear mite infestation, the vet may prescribe oral medications or antibiotics to help clear up the infection and alleviate symptoms. It's essential to follow the vet's instructions and complete the full course of treatment to ensure the mites are fully eradicated and prevent recurrence. Preventing reinfestation is also crucial in managing ear mites in cats. Regularly cleaning your cat's ears and keeping them free of debris can help reduce the risk of future infestations. Additionally, treating all pets in the household for ear mites and practicing good hygiene can help prevent the spread of mites between animals. In summary, treating ear mites in cats involves confirming the diagnosis with a veterinarian, administering topical medications, cleaning the ears, and following the vet's instructions carefully. With prompt and proper treatment, most cases of ear mites in cats can be successfully resolved, providing relief for your feline friend and preventing future infestations. Please like the video and follow the channel for more related content. You can also support us on Patreon, so we can create more informational content like this. In exchange, we will feature your name in up to 1,000 videos every single month. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.